riding wheelies in the snow. Steve here, Shen RC, and I'm with the Lossy LMT. Let's go give it a snow run. This looks interesting. See if I could get over it. Oh yeah! That was a sweet jump there. See if I could do that again. I want to take this beauty in the snow, but let's go in the snow with this sucker. Hit some more jumps later. See if we can get up this hill over here with the lousy. Oh yeah, went right up. The camera's a little tilted. There it is. Right through them. The lousy works like a beauty in the snow. The snow beast! Whoa, don't want to get hit by it neither. Let's see on this side here. We could hit this jump. Whoa! I almost killed myself, guys. Holy, I'm kneeling in this snow. Try that again. Try climbing this wall. There we go. Oh yeah, riding wheelies in the snow. Beast. Oh, almost hit that pole. Not good. Try over here. It's cool climbing up these hills with it. It's a snow beast, guys. Oh. I like trying to climb these hills with this, like this thing here. Let's see if we could do it. This is a steep hill, you can't tell. Oh, too sunk. We get a better run at it, maybe. That's pretty steep up there. See if we could get up this hill. It's fun trying to get up these hills. Nope. Can't get up it, guys. She's stuck. Walk of shame. Walk of shame. It's a lot steeper than it looks with this loose snow. It's crazy hard. Oh, see how it just sunk? That's how hard it is. I'm gonna try on that end over there. See if I could hit some nice jumps over here. Let's get some close-ups. Low voltage cutoff. That's the end of my fun, guys. I didn't have this fully charged. Had it to 4.17 volts per cell because I had to get out here because the snow was melting. Anyhow, guys, there she is. Jumped like a beauty on some nice snow jumps. Check for any damage. Nothing on the axles, holding fine. The goop's holding fine. Also, guys, if you look at my community tab on my homepage, Losi upgraded the front halves. They made them much stronger with bracing inside them. Check out that link on my homepage. You'll see the picture. So there should be no more problems with this LMT, hopefully. Whew, I'm pooped, guys. Thanks for watching, as always. Appreciate all you guys watching. I really do. It's what keeps me going. Thanks for the support, the cool comments, and the nice thumbs up you always leave me. Thanks, guys. I gotta get out of here and head home. I'll see you next time. Hit that bell so you don't miss any future videos. Shen RC out. She's dead. Hope she could get out of here. Oh, nope. She's a goner. Carry her home. See ya, guys. Walking through the snow makes you feel 50 times heavier and harder to walk. We could get home right to the car. It's not that far. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.